I'd like to show you some tips you can make a nice bow easily. First of all, with the right end of ribbon, make one loop and the tail you would like to make, then release it. Fold this point and put on where you'd like to make a bow. Leave the right shorter end toward the upper. Take the longer end ribbon around down and wrap under the box to the front. At the point where you'd like to make a bow, turn it corner to the left. Using the longer end, pull around it horizontally. Make sure the back is flat, then wrap to the front. The longer end should be underneath of the shorter end. The right shorter end goes over and through under the cross point, then pull it out, pointing in the upper right hand corner. This is the most important tip. If you keep this rule, your bow would be always straight. Tie it firmly, make a loop with the longer end toward the upper right. With the shorter end, make it go up and over the loop, then push into this hole and pull it out through to the left side. Pull the both loops to tighten the knot. For tightening it, pull out the upper side of the left loop and the bottom side of the right loop. Adjust the bow, then trim the tails as desired. Cutting ribbon always at the end. For loop's bow, it's same, make one loop and the tail with the right short end of the ribbon. This time let's make it just wrap around horizontally but not cross. The longer end should be underneath of the shorter end, with the right shorter end goes over and through under the longer end ribbon at the point. Then pull it out, pointing in the upper right hand corner as the same rule. After you make the first loop with the longer end, continue to make another loop on the left side and another one on the right side. Now you have 2 loops on the right side and 1 loop on the left side. Gather the loops in the center, then with the right shorter end, make it go over and push into the hole and pull out to the left. You can make any number of loops, just keep right side always 1 more loop than the left side. Pull the upper side of the bottom loop on the left and the lower side of the bottom loop on the right to tighten. Adjust the bow nicely, then trim the tails as desired. Practice with smile makes perfect.